Status.
We just offloaded the Marauder's crew to an SC shuttle.
Excellent.
Let me look at that arm.
I'm fine.
You're hardly the best judge of that. Make a fist. That shouldn't be hard for you. Muscle tear, no surprise. Second-degree burn. Other bruises and lacerations, too.
I'll gladly accept milk and cookies.
You'll meet me in sick bay at the first opportunity, which means now.
Okay.
Someday your luck is going to run out.
And I'm sure you'll be there to salvage the one remaining cell and clone me.
Yes, but that won't be you, merely a copy. Hopefully one with better sense.
Mr. Danheiser.
Aye, sir. What you just did wasn't brave, it was suicidal.
Their weapons array knocked out our hyperdrive.
So you had to take out a skate on your own.
Otherwise, they would have gotten away.
We were effecting repairs. We'd have caught up with them in time.
Or not.
Your first obligation was to your ship and yourself. I know what this is about. I know what date it is back on Earth. November 9th.
Don't lecture me.
I'm simply telling you.
That what? That I'd be a better candidate for mental realignment than those prisoners?
That there are people who care about you, and it wasn't worth dying for.
Well, I'm sure that you'll let me know when you find something that is.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Cadet.
We just got a message from HQ. They detected a ship.
Follow me.